Lately, my students have been asking me, how do you pronounce Senator Harris's first name? Some people put a lot of stress on that second syllable, and they call her Kamala. That's not right. Other people think her name sounds like Pamela, and they call her Kamala, and that's not right either. Instead of thinking that the first part of her name sounds like Pam, think about the first part of her name sounding more like Tom. So put that together and you get Tamala. Well, that's pretty close to how her name is actually pronounced. It's Kamala. So here's an easy way to remember it. For the first part of her name, think of Tom. And for the last part of her name, think of the Islamic god Allah. And then put that together. Tam Allah, Tamala. And then just put a K in front of that. Kamala. Kamala Harris. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.